Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Telegram bot. So first things first, you have to open your Telegram and go to the search icon, and then this time you have to search for BotFather. Now what is this? This BotFather is a Telegram's official bot that allows users to create, manage, and configure their own Telegram bots, and it serves as the primary interface for developers and users to interact with Telegram's bot API. So what you're going to do here, this is the first thing you should see. So to create a new bot, what you're going to do here is you have to go to the text box and then you have to follow this prompt. So you have to simply type here slash and then new bot. Okay, so just follow what I'm going to type here, slash new bot, and then press enter or tap this arrow facing to the right. Now you will receive this message and they will ask for the bot's name. So everything is up to you. Sometimes the name could be unavailable, then you have to think again. Okay, so once approved, then they will ask you again for a username. So you have to think again for a username and you have to follow this format. So the name or the username and then underscore. You have to type bot at the end. Now, there are some instances that a username is unavailable. So what you're going to do is you have to think again. So let me create another username right here. Once available, then they will tell you it's available. And once you have successfully created a Telegram bot name and also username, then you will see or you will read this message. That means it is successful or you have successfully created a Telegram bot. And all you have to do is to tap this one for you to see that Telegram bot that you have created. And then here you can add your members, you can add subscribers right here. So you can also copy this API. Now, once you open, then this is what it looks like. And you can now start your Telegram bot. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.